What kind of trades can be done when VIX is very high and market is making big volatile moves? In such situations, we do not know what will be the level of gap up or gap down. So any trades which can give us loss on big moves are not good trades in such scenarios. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very different kind of a setup, which might be quite new for most of us. But setup is a low risk setup and has a great potential in case market keeps on making big moves in any direction. Welcome to the Option School, and I'm your friend Pradeep Singla. We make content on conservative option trading strategies and best possible adjustments in option trades. If we just scan last year, we find multiple occasions when markets became very volatile and VIX was also substantially high. So when this kind of a situation happens, it's not a normal theta game which most option sellers try to play. Such a scenario becomes a delta game wherein one need to use big moves in his favor. Obviously, it is not risk free, but if done properly, it is a very low risk kind of a trade. Let me show you a backtesting of a high VIX environment case. One case is 9th May where VIX was pretty high, so one could have expected bigger moves in the market. What kind of short-term trades can be taken? In such a scenario, you never know that VIX will remain high or it will just go back to normal within few days. So trade is taken for a very short period so that one big up move or down move after I have taken the trade should be sufficient enough to give me profit. I am not going to sit in this trade for a very long period. Let's go to Opstra for backtesting. Please hit the like button. Each and every like is very precious to us. Thanks in advance. So here I have selected 9th May. 9th May VIX was pretty high, markets were very volatile, and we say what kind of short-term trades can be done. So 9th May and nearest weekly expiry was 15th of May. So let us move forward by 15 minutes so that the trade is done at 9:30. In 15 minutes you get better liquidity. So at 9:30 what can be done is that okay, we will just buy whatever is at the money. So I'll buy the call side by 248 rupees, and I will also buy the put side for the nearest expiry for 15th May. I have purchased both the things. If you see, even if I keep this just like that, uh, blue line is very good, but then obviously we do not want to take a risk although the trade is for very short term. So what we will do, we'll go to next weekly expiry, which is 22nd May, and we will sell a call and a put which are slightly higher strike. So we purchased 24,100. So I will sell a call of 22,000, 24,200, and I will sell a put of 24,000 here. Net net, it will be a credit trade, but if you see otherwise Greeks, they are not very good as such because theta is negative, vega is also negative, but only good thing is delta is neutral. And if I click this Greek in rupees, delta is very neutral, small theta which is negative, which will give us a loss, and vega is minus 840. So again, the assumption is that okay, things are very volatile and market will make big moves in either direction. Here the assumption is not that okay, market will stay here only. If market will stay here only, we can definitely have a small loss. And obviously we are not going to stay in the trade for very long period. So if the first expiry in this trade is 15th of May, we should not be in the trade till 15th of May 3:30. We should try to exit whenever we are getting a profit. This kind of a trade requires around 70,000 rupees. So even if I make 1400 rupees, that is 2%. Right, let us move half an hour. Okay, it's a loss after the first 30 minutes. Next, market is not making any big move so far. Now I'm having a small profit. Let us move. It's exactly in the center, which is not good for the trade, but not a very big loss also as of now. Okay, let us move because big moves generally come with gap ups and gap downs. So whenever the day will change, we can see what will be the effect. So as of now, we are in the same day at 1 p.m. Let's move ahead. Okay, now we are seeing a little bit of movement and small profit coming. Again, nothing. 3 o'clock, nothing. 330. Next day, see the big move came in the market, and we are having a profit of 4,000 rupees, which is more than 5 to 6%. This is the time when this trade should be scared off, because we cannot keep this trade till end. It can definitely have this bad outcome, but just to show you, okay, if I don't book this profit, but most probably this first big move you should book your profit. And let's say I just go next day again, market made a big move and I'm getting very decent profit in this. Next day, which is 14th May, which is just one day before expiry, I'm again getting very decent profit, 5,000 rupees. And if I see on 15th of May, see what happened. Market is still on a higher side, but all my profit is gone. Um, sometimes, okay, sometimes Opstra is also showing some wrong numbers. Let us see. So let me go quickly go to end of the expiry. Although this is not at all advisable to keep this trade till end, I'm just showing for, you can say, learning purpose. So 14:15, 14:45, 15:15, and 15 minutes. See, the trade is in a huge profit, but this is not that was expected from this trade. What we wanted that, okay, first big move, we are getting our anything more than 2 to 3% this this trade in this trade, and we should exit the trade and then wait and see, because whenever these high weeks opportunities are there, it may not last for very long. If on 8th or 9th of May VIX was high, quite possible that, okay, this VIX can fall down within next 4 5 days. So these has to be very short term trades. Very short term means even after one day or even after one big up move or down move, I am getting my profit. I should definitely book my profit. Never keep that profit on table. These are short term trades. These are not long term trades. You cannot keep it for weeks or months together. So the learning is that we need to have multiple tools in our kitty, and depending upon the situation, we can use the appropriate tool. There can be some short-term opportunities, so some short-term trades, and there can be some long-term trades in our portfolio. One all-weather good strategy, especially in such a week, is Iron Condor, and we are conducting a live workshop on 29th March from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. We will be talking about how to create the setup, how to choose strikes, what is the risk reward, how to make adjustments, and we'll also show backtesting for 12 months. To join, you can contact us on the numbers given on the screen. For getting more detailed videos on extremely useful concepts on options trading, you can join our silver membership. You also get 10% discount on our live workshop as a silver member, and price is less than a pizza, but we try to give huge value to help our members. I am leaving you with an interesting video on how I survived a huge gap down in Nifty. Please hit like and subscribe button. Switch on the bell notification to get timely notification for latest content. See you in next video. Bye.